Guys, I'm here, and as you can see, here, Mom, take the camera. Okay, this pond is frozen. Doesn't look like it. It is.
So we're
we walked on it.
Now you
we already
record
walked
me first.
No, show me walking on it real
Okay.
fast so we can prove it's frozen.
Show me
walking on it real fast.
First.
By the way,
Okay, here
fine.
we go. Ready?
Go.
Here we go. 1, 2. Got it on the pond so you can see?
Go.
3. Make it all the way across.
Oh, and also I threw an orange bouncy ball way over there. You probably can't see it, but I threw an orange bouncy ball way over there. It's across the pond. I can see it. But wait 1 second. Video me walking on it real fast.
Okay. Here's Cade being brave, walking on the frozen pond.
And we saw a turtle too.
Oh yeah, there's like a turtle in there.
Okay, come. Oh, it says low battery. Okay, come throw your rock real quick.
There's low battery.
Yeah, dismiss it.
Okay.
Okay, here's Cade throwing his rock. Throw it as far as you can.
Rock.
Ready? Okay, ready.
I should that high. You see the rock bust.
Okay, now throw one that long. Try to make it go all the way across if you can.
I need a lighter rock.
Ready?
It's heavy. Yeah, that was bad.
Now me.
Okay, Cambry.
Hi.
Woo!
Spear.
I have all kinds of stuff out there.
Spear. Get him.
Uh,
No, I'm joking.
I was too scared.
is there any more rocks to throw? Okay, make this one count. Shot put.
See that? Ice is strong, and I'm not. Hey, that's the fishing pole. Me and Ethan got stuck.
Hey, I saw that.
Me and Ethan got
I
that
showed
fishing pole
Mommy that.
stuck. That fishing line.
Okay, guys, let's go.
Wait. Oh gosh, no.
Okay.
Oh, that probably did not help it.